Hey there, food lovers. Today I've got a treat for you. I'm making the most amazing homemade banana bread. It's a simple, comforting, and timeless recipe that will make your taste buds dance. So grab those overripe bananas and let's get started. So we already have our bananas. Let's get the rest of the ingredients. I have some coconut flour, some coconut sugar. We need some baking soda, baking powder, and some salt. Let's get started. To start, I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to mash these bananas. I'm using 5 bananas that are overripe. I'm using some simple ingredients, but here is what you will need. I have 2 cups of coconut flour. It's high in fiber and it's a really great alternative to the traditional wheat flour. Some coconut sugar. Now this is a healthier sweetener compared to the granulated sugar and all the other refined sugars that you can think about. It has a very low glycemic index, which means that it's less likely to cause like rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. It also retains some minerals and antioxidants from the coconut palm. The next thing I'm going to add is some baking powder and some baking soda. I already measured it, 1 teaspoon. In that goes, and also some salt. Is some vanilla extract. In that goes. I like to keep my wet and dry ingredients separate, but it's all going into the same thing at this point. Next, I'm gonna add the bananas. Now, bananas are really great in potassium and dietary fiber. We have some really good healthy fats in there. It looks a mess, but it's gonna be really delicious. And now, if you want to have some nuts add a really great source of protein as well, and a bit of crunch. I have some walnuts here. I'm going to add those in. So let's try a thing. Don't try this at home. My spoon, and just mix everything together. So I've used a 1/2 cup of milk so far. I'm gonna go in with another 1/2 cup to make it 1 full cup of milk. I'm going to line a bread pan and preheat my oven. So one thing I forgot to mention, and it's also a secret ingredient, is the spice. So I'm going in with a dash of cinnamon, and I'm also going in with a dash of nutmeg, just a little bit. And this is going to highlight this bread. You're gonna smell those cinnamon notes and also the nutmeg, and I'm telling you, this will have your neighbors coming over for a slice of banana bread. The next thing that I'm going to do is take some oil and a paper towel, and I am going to grease my pans. Now I'm just gonna start by drizzling a little bit of the oil over each hole, and then I'm gonna go in with a paper towel and just rub it all over. That's my oven, it's almost ready. So I'm gonna take 1 scoop, drop it in there like that. It becomes a little ball. Hi, puppy. This homemade banana bread is a perfect healthy treat that offers a variety of like harmonious blends, you know, from its natural sweetness, from the ripe bananas to the grainy texture of the coconut flour. You know, it has a really nutrient-rich profile, including like potassium and fiber. It also makes it suitable for breakfast and also for a light snack. So for the health-conscious baker that's looking for a satisfying, guilt-free treat, try this banana bread.
really good.